run solo, at least up to the mountain today. But we're gonna be doing a little off-roading trip with Nate and the Savalanche again. We did do some repairs and some custom modification. You guys will see that in a second. We went a little out there with the hood. But we just met up with Nate. There he is right in front of us. So we're gonna go park. I'm gonna hop in, load my stuff, and then we're gonna hit it. And there's Scott and his nice Chevy. Look at that thing.
Hey, you want to ride?
Yeah, please.
So we are, yeah, this should be the same road. So we are up in Colorado above Central City, Central City. And we're just going all over the place. There's a bunch of dirt roads up here. We're just going down them, exploring them, checking them out. The main thing that we are on right now is called Yankee Hill. And we're just bombing down it. Here comes some water. Fuck yeah. And that's what we're doing for the day. We're just bombing down the roads and checking things out, seeing where the dirt roads take us. We're good. Which way you want to go in two-wheel drive, Scott? Going this way?
Go to the floor.
Hold it to the floor. Is it to the floor?
Yeah.
It is to the floor.
I think we're burning tire.
Is that forward action?
Is that forward?
That's for high.
Yeah.
Or do you want for low?
Yeah. What the heck?
No, hold on. Are you in park or reverse?
Oh. That might be reverse or neutral. There we go.
There we go. For low. Here's the power.
Right up we go.
Like a fucking mountain goat.
That's right. This has a transmission, though. Won't stay in first.
It will not stay in first. You're right.
All right,
go for it.
Now which way do we go?
Go through the water again.
Look at that. Like a nice little U-turn. How do you think she's doing?
She's doing great.
Yeah?
Dude, okay. It wasn't recording. We should have had it recording. Scott, I almost ate it. Scott was driving.
Uh-huh.
And we went through the water hole that you just saw a bit ago. And there was a dip in the dirt. He didn't see it and he nailed it. It's really freaking hard and we're all sore now from it.
Dang, bro. I think the wheelbase is just going to be a little bit too long on this one, so I don't think we're going to be able to make it.
We tried, we really did.
It's all right.
It's not worth getting stuck. Let's go adventure more.
Yeah. Let's go hit the next spot. Truck's too nice to be up here.
Alright, we're gonna guide Taylor up and over these rocks. What are you doing? Alright, Taylor. Yep. You good? You coming? That way? Yep. Good. Woo! You did it. How was that, Taylor? Felt good. You did good. You did good. Also, it was a piece of shit. Beautiful. I know. Sometimes they just work and
Maybe they didn't like
work.
you very much. They had a grudge.
Nearing new adventures. Is that a thing, a new adventure? I guess it is. Yeah, I recognize that tree. I've hit that tree before.
I feel like it shifts better after we slammed it.
Oh, from Scott driving it and running into the ditch, essentially?
Yeah.
That has a much more firmer, crisp shift. Come on up, let's see that flex. Woo! That's as far as she's gonna go. Go for it, go forward. Forward! Hey Taylor. Conception, or Inception. I'm recording you, you're recording me. Look at this. Welcome to the house, or to the rock house at the Loch Lomond Overlook. Add a rock and sign the guest book. Beware of Loamy. I'm gonna sign the circus in here. Howdy from the circus. Check out my YouTube at TuneNgoon. Let me know in the comments if one of you guys finds my YouTube channel from this book up here. That'd be funny. What happened, Nate? Well, we opened the hood because I saw something dripping. And the battery was on its side.
It's a little bit
So,
how hot is it?
It's not hot.
So what about
No,
this?
it's hot. It's hot. I gotta fix the tie down apparently.